Hi guys, today we are going to see how we can resolve this class file has wrong version 55 and should be 52 issue. I'm getting this issue in my simple Selenium code. This is my simple Selenium code in which I am launching the simple Google URL and I'm facing this issue. This issue is usually occurs when our Selenium version is not compatible with the JDK that we are using in our project. So we can simply resolve this issue by updating our JDK version. So currently I'm using JDK 8 and Selenium version I'm using is 4.25. This is the latest one, and this version supports JDK 11 and above. So I have already downloaded JDK 11 and installed in my system. You can also download and install in your system, and once installed you can add it in your project. So how can we add in our project? Go to file menu, then click on project structure and go to this SDK. Under the platform setting, here you can see JDK 8 is already added, and click on this plus icon, add from the disk, and here you can select the JDK from your local system. Click on this project files, and here you can find this Java folder. Here you can see all the JDK that I have already installed in my system. So click on JDK 11, click on apply. Also click on this project and select the SDK for JDK 11. I'm going to select the 11, apply, and OK. So we have successfully updated our JDK. Now I'm going to execute my project. This is building my project and downloading all the required jars. So let's see this is working fine or not. So guys, you can see this Google URL is successfully launched, and I'm closing right now this, and this issue is successfully resolved. So let me know in comment box which way is worked for you. Also, if you are facing any query, any doubt, any issue related automation or Java Selenium automation setup, then let me know in comment box. We'll cover that in our next video. Thank you.